Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code with Deval. In today's topic, we are going to learn about how to use Python in any Android mobile, and we are going to learn about how to install that and use our Android phone to do automations in Python or create web applications or do any data related operation, that is data analysis, engineering and all the stuff, yeah. And to install Python on Android device, we are using this Termux APK, which is a Android terminal emulator and a Linux environment app. And basically, it works without rooting your device or do any additional setups, right? So it's very easy to use, very easy to install, and uh, which is going to be very useful for your Python learning path. Yeah. So what we are going to do is we will install Termux on our Android mobile phone. Then we will install Python, and then we will see how we can run this Flask web application. Flask is basically a microwave framework by which we can create web applications in Python. So we will see a small example how we can run this application on your Android device and how to access that from your computer as well. Right?